First, I use a Vita Rich face wash and gently rinse my face with it. It leaves my skin soft and hydrated. The best part is that my face is always glowing after I use this. Next, I apply a thin layer of Vita Rich Face Serum. It has hyaluronic acid that penetrates deep into the skin and reduces pigmentation and brightens my skin. Then, I massage my under eye area with the Vita Rich Under Eye Cream, which consists of coffee oil and vitamin B3 and E. This helps reduce my fine lines and dark circles. Finally, I apply Vita Rich Face Cream on my face. It smooths and nourishes my skin because it is made with chia seed oil and vitamin C. Do try out the Mom's Co skincare range for a healthy and glowing skin.